So guys, you want to get into this screen. The way to get into this screen is either you're already going to be on it, so that's why you're on this tutorial, or you just want to turn off your computer 3 times and then turn it back on. Each time you turn on your computer, whenever you see the Windows loading screen, which I want to show you right now, you want to turn off your computer and then restart it again. Do this 3 times. You also want to turn off your computer from the power button itself on your case, which will then take you into this screen. Now once you're on this, you want to click on See Advanced Repair Options. And then you want to click on Troubleshoot. And then click on Advanced Options. Now once you're on this, if you have a System Restore, then click on System Restore. And then you want to click on Next and then follow the steps and then go back to your restore point and then this should fix the problem for you. But if you don't have a System Restore, then we're going to click on Cancel, Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Repair. And then this might fix your problem, let's see. Now hopefully that fixed the problem, but if it didn't, then you want to click on Advanced Options again, Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and now we're going to click on the command prompt. Now we're going to type in a bunch of commands. The first one is going to be C:, click on enter. Then we're going to type in cd/windows/system32/config and click on enter. For the next command, we're going to type in md space backup, click on enter. Now we're going to type in config space *.* space backup, click on enter again. Now we're going to type in cd space regback, click on enter. Now we're going to type in copy space *.*, click on enter. Now we're going to type in A and click on enter. Now you're going to type in exit, click on enter again, and then click on continue. And now the problem should be fixed.